Hi, my name is Jacob from the Toso Direct team. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Toso dehumidifier with internal pump. Please note that the internal pump is only available on select models. If you have any questions on whether or not your unit contains an internal pump, please send us an email at support@tosodirect.com and we'll be happy to assist you. To begin, power the pump feature on using the display screen on top of your unit. Next, you're going to flip the unit around and locate the hose connection on the lower right of the unit. The internal pump uses a quick connect hose, so no tools are required. To connect the included drain hose, simply push in on the gray area with the tip of your finger while pulling the green plug out of the hole. Please do not yank or use extreme force to remove the plug from the drain hose connection, as this might damage the unit. After removing the green plug, insert the drain hose into the hole while holding down the gray area with your finger. Your drain hose is now connected and you are able to use the internal pump on your dehumidifier. Your Toso dehumidifier can now pump water horizontally, vertically, or even in a spiral if that's what your situation calls for. Thanks for watching, and please let us know if there's anything else that we can help you with.